Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you are here because I have something really exciting to show you. I made this Wanderlust travel set with postcards, stickers and labels so you can create cute designs in your bullet journal or travel journal. I was so inspired because I really want to travel myself. First of all, I wanted to use an old envelope I got for my birthday to create a little place where I can stack my travel stickers and postcards so I can put it in my journal and take it with me. So I reused this envelope, and I also love to use magazines, as you know from my previous videos. I mostly use Flow magazine because it has such cute illustrations and papers and textures. I also found this great paper from Action that has like maps on it and different kind of patterns, so you will be seeing that in this video as well. This little method that I use is like crumbling up the paper, so if you crumble it all up and then fold it back out, you get this really vintage kind of look and the paper looks more worn. Here you see I use my own design stickers. I love them so much. The paper is really thin, so if you can't peel off the sticker paper, you can always use some glue. And they are not pre-cut. I know I'm still working on that. I'm trying to figure out how I can make stickers that are pre-cut, but these stickers are made on matte paper, so you can draw on top of it or write on top of it. From the same envelope, I ripped some more paper for titles like travel or bucket list. This was kind of an experiment. I wasn't sure about it. You see later that I put a lot of other paint layers on top of it, but you will see that later. The fun thing about the collage technique is that you never know how it turns out, but sometimes it doesn't look that cute, but often you can just change it up by placing some other kind of paper on top of it, or you can use some paint. Personally, I really like that mixed media kind of look. In the end, I thought it looked really busy. The little kind of see-through plastic paper curled up, so I didn't want to leave it on there, but I really like the look of it. Two of the places on my travel bucket list are Greece and Italy. I really would like to go to Positano, but it's quite expensive, so maybe we are going to Creta, Greece this year. I'm not sure yet. Please let me know, where are you going to travel next? So I thought that would be it, but I thought it looked way too busy, so I left the label out and used a sticker instead so I can write some more. And yeah, this is what I came up with in the end. If you want to order a Wanderlust travel set for yourself, you can go to my Etsy shop. The set includes 3 postcards, some baker's twine, and 2 labels, a big one and a small one, and of course the cute watercolor stickers. So I hope that you like this video and go to my Etsy shop. I would love to make a cute package for you and send it out to you, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye!